Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to remove background from an image online for free without signing up or registration and without watermark. Previously, I made a video on how to remove background from image using Paint 3D in Windows 10. If somehow you are not interested to use online websites or online services to remove background from image online for free, then you can watch that video. You can watch that video by clicking on the card that is being shown on the top of the video, or I'll provide the link in the description of the video as well. In this video, I'll show you how to remove background from image online for free without signing up or registration. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my latest videos. As the stage has been set, let's get started. So in this video, I will be showing you two websites which allows you to remove background from image online for free without signing up or registration. There is no need of marking the areas of image which you want to remove from the image or which you want to keep it as a final image. These are automatically done. These websites help you to remove background automatically when you upload images to those websites. So let's see what are those. Here comes the first website, which is remove.bg. Open browser and head over to remove.bg. Once you land on this website, it says that it removes background image 100% automatically and free. And you can upload the image or drop a file. You can even paste the URL of the image. You can even try the sample images provided by the website itself. You can select any of those websites and it removes the background. Just before starting with the website, I want to explain more about this website. Just scroll down and you could see there are a few examples provided how this website works for people, products, animals, cars, graphics, and many more like that. If you check in of this, it says that you upload the original image, it removes the background by applying the transparent background, and you can even apply new backgrounds from the website itself. And just scroll down and it shows some stunning examples over there. You can just move the slider to left or right to see the original image with the original background and the image after removing the background. You can check by looking at some more samples over here as well. We provide some more samples. Just click on it and see more samples to get an idea on how this website works. So for this video, I'll be uploading an image which I have in my local. Click on upload image button. Head over to the location where you have the image from which you want to remove the background. Select the image, click on open. It uploads the image and removes the background automatically within few seconds. You could see that it has done its job very neatly. It removes the background clearly and it has even removed the background from the hair part. That is really good. So if you want to download the image, just click on this download options. To download the image, you have two options. Click on the down arrow in the download button and you could see preview image and full image. For downloading the full image, you need to be the pro user or the paid user, but downloading the preview image does the job. It doesn't compromise in the quality even for the preview image. Just tap on that and you can download the preview image. But before downloading, just click on the edit button and see what more it can do. You can zoom in or zoom out by using those zoom options on the top. You have two options like background and erase and restore. Apart from removing the background from an image, it also gives you an options to apply different backgrounds to the image. You can blur the image by selecting the option being shown under the blur options. You can blur the image by selecting the blur options over there, or you can even upload different backgrounds which are provided by the website itself. You can select the image and you can see those backgrounds will be applied to your image. If you're satisfied with those backgrounds, you can just download and use it for free of cost without signing up and registration. If you want to apply your own background to the image, you can select this option and select the background, upload the background, and that background will be uploaded to the image and you can download that image as well. If you're looking for some solid background to be applied to the image, just click on the color option over there and you can select any of the background which you want as a solid color, and that solid color background will be applied to your image. And just scroll up and there is other option called erase or restore. If you see some of the parts of the image which you want but got removed, or some parts of the image which needs to be removed but they are still contained with the image, then you can use this erase or restore options and make selections and then make the transparent background. You can download the transparent image as I've done previously, or you can apply different background like a photo or a solid color. Then you can download that image as well. So make sure you visit this website and let me know what you think about this website in the comment section below. Next comes a website called photoscissors.com. Head over to this website and you could see a simple option called upload image. Just tap on it, select the image which you want to remove the background from. This website also loads the image and automatically removes the background. But if you want to make any selections of the image which got removed, and if you want that part of the image to be with your final image, you can select this option which says foreground and make selection on the image so that that part of the image will be part of your final image as well. You can zoom in and zoom out to make selections clearly, but most of the job will be done by the website itself. There are few options for the foreground, and click on the background option. And right now it says that it has a transparent background, and if you want to apply any solid color as a background, select solid color option and select the color from the color picker, and that color will be applied as a background. If you're working on the green screens, then select the green screen and it applies green screen as a background color. If you want other color, just select the other color and that other color will be applied as a background. If you want some photo or image to be applied as a background, you can even select the image option, select the image which you want to apply as a background. Just upload your own image which you want to be applied as a background to the image, and that image will be applied as a background as well. If you want, you can click on reset to defaults and it will be resetting to the default transparent background, or else you can click on the original image so that your original image with original background will be retained. And third option allows you to add a shadow, opacity, blur radius and everything. So play with this website and remove background from image and apply your own background to the image as you like. Once you're done with your selections, just click on the download option and that particular image will be downloaded. So these are the two best websites which allows us to remove background from an image online for free without registration or without signing up and no watermark. Hope you find this video useful. Please like and share the video, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.